Hey everyone, it's Scott at Glick Auto and Truck Center in Monticello, New York. I'm going to take about a minute and 30 seconds of your time up. This is a 2014 Ford E350. This van has a black exterior. Did start life off as red. Does show in the door jambs. We're a transparent dealer, so we like to let you know. Voice commands, Bluetooth, AM, FM, satellite radio, auxiliary ports up top. Under 10,000 miles on this van. So here comes the fun part. We're going to walk around here. We're going to come to these side barn doors. We're going to open them up. You're going to see a seat. Yes, there's a second row seat. Fun part is now you see the cage and the work area all the way in the back. This has been converted to a hybrid use vehicle, cargo and passenger. So the fun part about this is that we can convert it back over if you want to. It does feature a backup camera back here also. So here's all your cargo area back here. Lots of weather guard style compartments back here with a cage and a hand truck. So that can be taken out. We're going to leave that option up to whoever buys it. Up top you do have dual ladder racks and the pipe storage compartment that can also be removed. So again, this is a 2014 Ford E350 from Glick Auto and Truck Center. $24,500, just under 10,000 miles. Come see me, Scott, at Glick Auto and Truck Center and get this van down the road with you today. 1 minute, 30 seconds.